ITM is a perfect example of how one man's vision can change the canvas of education. Sri Ramashankar Singh ji started this institute with just 90 students, and today we have more than 32,000 alumni.
ITM University, situated at the heart of Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. A historical, cultural, and an educational hub. An educational institute has to be many things, but the aura and ambience is any university's pillar, and that is what ITM University Gwalior has to offer. A campus so green and serene. A campus full of arts, designs and sculptures that inspire you by taking you closer to your instinctive creativity.
Hi, this is Ishani Banerjee.
My name is Saloni Gupta.
My name is Sampa Panda.
My name is Nupur Shah.
My name is Shreya Rawat.
ITM University Gwalior offers courses in the field of science, engineering, management, law, social sciences, advertisement and journalism, and nursing. Courses are clearly designed keeping in mind the industry's standards and requirements.
हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में जो प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग अप्रोच है वो हमारे थियोरेटिकल कंसेप्ट्स और प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन के बीच में काफ़ी अच्छा ब्रिज क्रिएट करती है, जिससे हमारी इंडस्ट्रियल अप्रोच और हमारी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रूम और इन्हांस्ड होती है, जिससे हम इंडस्ट्री के लिए प्रिपेयर भी होते हैं और उसके साथ साथ हमें काम करने का मज़ा भी आता है.
The proof of our approach reflects on various startups by our students.
I am successfully running a startup, VN Organics, under IdeaPad Incubation Center, ITM University, Gwalior.
While studying, I have done my startup in 2021. My brand name is Vasu.
Under this startup, we are working on Cordyceps militaris mushroom.
I am filled with gratitude that my university is supporting me in such a wonderful step of my life, and I hope so my startups turns into a big venture so that I can bring glory to my university.
Providing the right atmosphere and the required infrastructure will be rendered insufficient if there is no solid placement system.
Here, training helps us to develop skills, confidence, personality development, learning skills, practical knowledge, and so many other things on a regular basis.
ITM University Gwalior has a substantial and well-researched placement cell.
In ITM University, we have Training Augmentation and Placement Cell, that is TAP cell. The motto of TAP cell is to bring the companies and to give the opportunities to these students before they complete their degree from the university. We are targeting like a student should have one offer letter in his hand before he completes his degree.
Today is a really good day that I have cracked interviews from various companies, from a company which has come for the placement of the students, and I'm really glad that all the teachers helped me in my growth in soft skills and technical skills as well.
Apart from the education, it also provides several training programs which are helpful to build our confidence levels and leadership skills and communication skills.
In addition to our belief system, ITM Hospital is another feather in our cap. Sports is not a subject here. It is an integral part of the syllabus. It is a culture at the university. The BCCI approved cricket ground is just a cherry on the cake.
Our students are participating in AIU competitions such as West Zone and All India.
का फर्स्ट टूर्नामेंट है, सो हमने ITM यूनिवर्सिटी ने जीता है, सो हमेशा याद रहेगा कि इस टूर्नामेंट का फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल हमने लिया था. 4-1 से गोल था, 4-1 गोल स्कोर मार्जिन था, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हमें.
We have won many gold medals and silver medals and bronze medals at different level.
Look at that! 2-0 for ITM University.
No matter what, we are the champions. We created history. Second time. This is twice. We won last year. We won this year.
ITM campus is a perfect blend of different cultures, languages, and festivals. This diversity makes our campus beautiful and vibrant.
Our belief: The world is one family. Vasudev Kutumbakam. We have students from each and every corner of the country as well as the world.
Our university provides us with different workshops and seminars from all over the India and as well as from the international organization.
To give our students the real life experience, we invite guests from all walks of life, from honorary presidents to great artists, sports personalities to social activists.
This nanorobot is a convergence of three technologies. That is biotechnology, information technology and nanotechnology.
हमें असीम मस्तिष्क और उन्मुक्त हृदय के साथ साथ जीवन के मर्यादा से रचो, ये उन्होंने भारत माता से मांगा था।
I said, yes, the reason is I strongly believe actions must speak louder than words, and this is what Indian Army did.
The ITM University, you have created a new Shanti Niketan.
क्योंकि जब तक आप निर्भय नहीं होते हैं, आप उस नाद को प्राप्त नहीं कर पाते।
आज नाद के 3 रंग हैं, केसरिया, सफेद और हरा। केसरिया यानी बलिदान, सफेद यानी शांति, हरा विकास। तो बन सके तो हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा रूबरू, ये दीवानापन देखो जरा,
न हम तुम तलाशे बगीचों में फुर्सत भरी छाँव में, चल भटक लेना बावरे।
From one man's dream to 1,000 dreams, we want to continue to celebrate the dreams of our students for many more years to come.
It's all about celebrating dreams. After all, it's all about celebrating dreams.
After all, the ITM University is all about celebrating the dreams of our students.
ITM University Gwalior, celebrating dreams.